Hey, hello, good night again, guys. Um, so quick update, quick update. So for me, while I was doing the previous video, I looked at my phone and saw that on Australian US dollar, the price actually came up. See, I had the circle you'll see from the previous video. So price actually came up and tapped into the entry point, and we will see what happens after. So you can see my target areas and my stop loss areas. So we are looking to hit approximately 50 pips. So we'll keep monitoring this to see what happens. My entry point is 0.67702 and the take profit level is 0.67206, approximately 50 pips. So let me just scoot this over here. So 7702. So actually in the trade now, but I'll just walk you through it to see, so that you can see my perspective on why I took the entry there. So as you know, I would have started from the weekly time frame doing the top down analysis. Sorry, doing the top down analysis. Okay, so you would have seen where price is in a downtrend, right? You would have seen that price is in a downtrend. We got this high, got a low here, got a slightly like a minor high, got a next low, a lower low, got a lower high here, broke this lower low, and we've been making lower low since then. But that's historic data. As we get back closer to the present market, we can see that we are moving from technically a high right here, and we've made a low, we've made a lower high, and we've now broken this low right here. We've now broken this low right here. So price is indicating to us from the weekly time frame that it intends on going lower. Now after this low is broken, for the downtrend to continue, we will need to get some form of a pullback. So after this lower low is created, we will be expecting a pullback to create the next lower high and then to continue downwards, right? Basically. So that's from the weekly time frame. So we got some trend lines right here because price made a low and it made a high. Then that means it would have price gave us one leg and gave us a low and gave us a high. So on this weekly time frame, we are moving from a low to a high. So on the lower time frames, we will be seeing like a valid upward trend. So we would have been able to use this upward sloping trend line to use as our break and retest area in conjunction with breaking our lows, right? And then we move down to our daily time frame. As we come down to our daily time frame now, our daily time frame, so this was the low from the weekly, and this is now our daily low right here. So we moved from this low, created a high up here. That's for the 4 hours, but we created a high, basically 4 hour and a daily high technically. But we've broken this low, creating a lower low, and then we are getting a pullback to make a lower high to continue further down, right? So again, we are able to catch this upward sloping trend line. So that's what we did. And then turn a candlestick start, and you see that perfect break closes, and now we're looking for a retest. We are expecting some form of retest in this area. We'll move for lower time frames and see what's happening. 4 hours. So on our 4 hour, we realize that this was the last low made on a 4 hour chart time frame, and we're able to also catch a trend line, upwards looking trend line right here. We made our next daily low down here, so we're expecting price to reject from this area and retrace here before continuing upwards. Look at the candlestick chart. So we see where this trend line was broken again, so we're looking for basically an order block entry, retest of the trend line, come all the way back down here. Moving further down, and you can see what price is doing. So we had some highs up here, low, high, low, 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 high, low, low. Failed to create a lower high at this point. So the high was this high was broken. So expecting price to retrace at least back to this area. But as we move further down, you'll see our upwards sloping trend line coming into play. Solidifying and giving you more confidences and reasons to take the trade. So here we go again. This upward sloping trend line was broken. So there you see it. So we now have a retest of the area right here. So now we're waiting and monitoring to see what happens. This is the move that we're still looking for. Can catch this right here in the same direction. Pretty much. And we see it right here. Break, retest up here, order block entry, moving back to the downside. Break of this trend line right here. So expecting price to come back into this area, anywhere in between these two zones right here. And for a 30-minute time frame, we get a clear picture. This is it. So this would have been our first trade. This would have been a sell limit entry pending order, sell limit, and would have been triggered. So it is our first trade for this trading day, our session. We would not have known that it would have triggered so early, but regardless, we will monitor it and see what happens. Yeah, so we have what, 13 pip stop loss. So that's 1 to almost a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So let's see if it plays out. But yeah, anyways, when it plays out, however it does play out, I'll be posting a video of it tomorrow. So you'll see the results just like I did earlier today to show the previous trades that I would have taken. No trades are absolutely 100% sure that you will hit a take profit. And just let me put out a disclaimer to say that this is by no means financial advice. This is just my take on how I see the charts. And feel free to follow along if it is that you and I share the same view or opinion. That is your choice to make with your hard-earned cash. But yeah, this is my take on what I see, and you know, you guys have a good night, and see you tomorrow for the next one. Peace.